All right, buddy. Choo! We're in Greensboro, North Carolina. We're froze to the bone. It's 2 something in the morning. Yeah, buddy. Everything's rough. We're gonna camp at the sheesh. We're gonna camp at the Harley dealer in about another hour. 55 miles to go. Tonight's camping adventure has been sponsored by Peach Punch, a fucking Harley that might be running well, a Harley that's high idling, and a sleeping bag on wet grass in North Carolina. Yeehaw. Nah, man, this is living right here. Got my motherfucking... Yeah. How you doing, bud?
Trying to get comfy.
Alright. So we got 3 hours of sleep last night. Then we were woken up by a coyote and planes and trucks, and the dew soaked my sleeping bag, so it's packed away again. And I covered my seat with my jeans to keep the dew off the seat. That don't make no sense. I got wet pants. We're in LEJ or Elijah.
Elijah, it's time for dinner.
You didn't buy any ice.
I did. I only go get it first, you fucker.
Yeah.
Elijah, it's time for dinner. The dinner bell's ringing, Elijah.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is what we've come to. It just gets worse every chopper trip I go on. Just more bungees and things strapped, and I know why the chopper guys bring vans and don't ride their bikes, because there just ain't enough room. Where's the Modelo's? Perfect. Go fast, don't die, no club, crocking, rocking. Yes, sir. This is how we get down. Got the onions, got the bell pepper, got the jalapenos, got the steak.
Sketchy Roseville bike.
She got their big dog.
Big army.
I'm such a fucking bum loser. Spent all my money on a bike, can't afford nowhere nice to sleep. Let me tell y'all something. This man has the hookup over here. The little mini grill. Dog, I'm telling you. Ain't nothing better. It's delicious.
Jersey, they used to have this event just like this. Strange Days.
Better than it just appears to be.
No, it's very good.
It is good.
It's very good. Mm. Not the chim. Put them away.
Beef and bean cheese Jimmy.
Put the chimichangas away. We're such degenerates. Uno Modelo. Dos Modelo. Worry about that later. Put it on.
Y'all, dude.
Fuzzing this. Make sure that's filming.
Y'all. Oh, that's so good.
This was home last night. Got her shoved in there, shoved in there, shoved in the seat. Got my little lean-to. My hoodie is my pillow. My coolers. Yes, sir. Snug as a bug on drugs, baby. Right?
Right?
The only bad thing about the second one, I was like, but I'll take that way up high versus.
Just chainsaw going. Stop.
No, he stopped halfway through. That's why I thought he died for a second.
You need a beer?
You're offering.
Dude.
Stay on that side of your bike.
Just hit your alarm button twice, it'll beep.
Again. There it is.
Vegas. Get down in Ohio. Myrtle Beach.
There's a goodie in there.
A what?
There's a good still shot on there.
Another night sleeping in less than perfect conditions. But yeah, man, I don't even know what a grundle is, but I did it. What? A grundle is taint? We essentially did the taint run. Eh? So this was my first video. It's not great. I don't even know what I'm doing, but thanks for watching.